How to log in into your Netflix account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to log in or sign in into your Netflix account. To do it so, you'll have to follow the simple steps. Open up a browser. You could also download an application on your mobile device. After which you want to type in www.netflix.com. When you type in Netflix.com, it will take you to their official page. So here, I'm gonna first of all sign out of my account. After which you wanna just go ahead and click on sign in from the top right hand side corner. And you wanna go ahead and type your information. That is your email address or a phone number and then a password. If you don't have an account, click the sign up button and register yourself as well. After that, you want to go ahead and enter in your information. So this is my information. So I have to go ahead and type in my credential and click the OK button. Now click the sign in button and then logged into your account. Success. Now you could start watching the show. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.